Hello, it's Jason from DigiNo and DaDaABC, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can do ukulele improv for anything in the courseware using the same 4 chords. Now, if you use a ukulele whilst teaching, which I recommend, you don't want to be constantly learning songs all the time, on the fly. You don't want to be learning chords. If you're just a beginner, you don't want to put too much into it, really. You just want to keep it simple. And so I'll show you these 4 chords. If you've seen my video for the goodbye song from Bear in the Big Blue House, it's the same chords, so you'll probably already know. It's C, F, G, C. And watch the goodbye song tutorial for more in depth of how to play it. I won't do it again. But yeah, C, F, G, C. And 90% of the time, that's what I'm playing on the ukulele. I've never had any complaints from the students to say, you're playing the same thing. So don't worry about it. So with ukulele improv, say you're reading the courseware and they are not engaged with it, that's when I will bring out the ukulele, turn it into a song. Say you're doing something about grammar, verbs and things like that. You can just turn it into a song. Something like, a verb is a doing word, an adjective describes the noun. An adverb describes the verb, we're quickly walking through a busy town. Something like that. You're explaining it, then the last sentence is using it all together as an example. So we're quickly walking through a busy town. You're using all 3. It's that simple, really. See what you see on the courseware. Say if you see a poem, play this, sing the poem. It gives it another edge. And with these 4 chords, you can... Here's one I like to pull out. So if you ask them, how are you? And they ask you, how are you back? You say, well, I'm a cat. I'm a cat. I'm a cat. Meow, meow, I'm a cat. I like fish. I like mice. I like milk. I don't like dogs. Because I'm a cat. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, there we go. It's just a bit of fun. Something to bring a bit of joy into everyone's life. What other ones can you do? I'm sure there's loads. I found one the other day. Not that one. You could do Trump if you want. Face masks. I had one the other day. Maybe it was face accessories. Face accessories. Yeah, you could be an astronaut. I'm a space man. I like space. Yeah. Something like that. You get the point. So once again, it's C, F, G, C. And that's it from me. So if you have any more ideas for songs, or if you have any questions, comment below. I'll put a link to a decent ukulele on Amazon if you want to get started. I could put some lyrics down for that grammar song I made up. I won't put the lyrics down for the cat song because it's pretty simple. And yeah, have a great day. This is Jason from DigiNo.org and DaDaABC. See you next time. Bye bye.